welcome to this episode of Stay Alive with Bear Grylls. On today's episode, we've discovered a hidden waterfall in the depths of the Cape Town mountains. We're here in Table Mountain National Park to give you the insight.
Yeah, but before we do all that, let's start at the beginning. Hi, my name is Anu, and I'm a 20-year-old university student studying in South Africa. Last semester, I was locked in on school, so I didn't really do much. But this semester, I decided it's time for us to go outside, and I mean all the way outside.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm cooking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, never kill my vibe. Never kill my vibe.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is currently 5 a.m. on Saturday the 25th, and we are going on a hike. And I woke up. Right now it's like 10 minutes past 6. I just woke up, I went and I washed my face, and I need to make it to the shuttle by 7. So I'm gonna go see my friend outside her race at 6:55, and then we're gonna walk together to the shuttle. So right now I'm gonna get ready, and then we're gonna go. I had packed my bag yesterday, so yeah, maybe I'll show you guys what I have in my bag, maybe on the way or something. But yeah, so let's get ready to go. So we're picking up my friend from her race, and we're gonna go catch the shuttle. It's already 7. It's still very dark outside, but I am concerned that we're gonna be late because I've been standing here for a time. But yeah, hopefully she comes soon, and then we can go.
Too much, hope don't do too much. Pulling up the Magic City in a Uber. Pockets fatter than a motherfucking Uber. When I enter Magic City, bitches group up. Off-white in the tank like the cool clean. Diamonds on dance, dance revolution. Got a new man, then I got a new Benz. This is my motherfucking nigga, what they do dance. Rich bitch on a rich nigga hit list. If this bitch gets slick, she'll get hit. Hoes washed up, dishes. Lost it down, these hoes been missing.
This was my first hike ever, and I paid 220 Rand for transport to and from Cape Town, as well as for lunch that was provided and a guided hike.
Hi vlog. See if we can survive this.
A few moments later.
One soldier down so far. Yeah, we lost one. Say mfana wangu. How are you liking it so far? It's not Table Mountain, it's just the Table Mountain National Park.
We're on some mountain.
On some mountain. Tinenge tiri kunyanga, but
Yeah. So low-key hoping we don't disappoint.
also hiking is not for the weak.
Yeah. It's not.
We thought kuti tinopisa,
But
topisa because tiri
we are here.
but ultimately hatipise because tiri half, we're sitting down, but everybody's still standing. Yeah, no, it's wraps. But we refuse to go down without a fight.
We don't go down without a fight.
Yeah, one soldier down so far.
Yeah, we lost one, but it's okay.
It's okay. She did her best.
She did her best.
We're gonna take it the rest of the way for her.
Yeah. we feeling?
Feeling great.
Good, yeah.
Yeah.
It's better now. Success.
Good now.
Success is nearby.
Wakana. Let's go.
Hey, bro, you win some, you lose some. Hi, Chananswa.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
You feeling good? You finally
Good
made
this
it?
time,
Yeah? All right.
So cool.
I'm just gonna shout it. Hiking feels no way to follow.
Yeah. Type shit. Nothing too crazy. Type shit. Type shit.
Yeah. We can.
One that side. I don't know how to get up there from that side, but it's too late. It is too late.
Okay. Picture.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to this episode of Stay Alive with Bear Grylls. On today's episode, we've discovered a hidden waterfall in the depths of the Cape Town mountains. We're here in Table Mountain National Park to give you the insight.
Yeah.
What do you have to say, Chanatwa?
Well, it looks like since we're the first to get here, it's gonna be named T Square.
T-Square Waterfalls, ladies and gentlemen.
You've seen it for yourself.
You saw it here first.
Tell David Attenborough I'm coming for his part.
It was at this point that I realized that my phone was on 1%, and without a power bank or any kind of backup plan, I had to stop filming. But all in all, it was a great day. I met so many new people. Some were from Zimbabwe just like me, and others were international students from Japan, Brazil, and even Germany. All in all, I'm going to rate my first hike experience as a solid 10 out of 10. And I can't wait to see what other adventures second semester has in store for this international student.